All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with yet another quick market update. The past 10 days have been pretty iconic, haven't they? Bitcoin has actually closed 10 consecutive green candles, meaning that every day it's higher than the previous day. That's only happened 5 times before in the past. In the average return for the next 60 days, on average is 60%. So that would net Bitcoin from around $40,000 up to around $64,000 if price history were to repeat itself. So I think that's a phenomenal statistic. The fact that it's very rare that you have an asset that goes up 10 days in a row, literally day after day after day. And again, if that's happened 5 times in Bitcoin's history, you should definitely at least pay attention. And again, the average return expected is 64% or 60%. I mean, that's pretty wild to think about. So to me, that just shows there's a confirmed momentum shift, right? There's a confirmed reversal of that downtrend, of that correction that has been persistent in prices really since, April, when the market topped out. And so for me, I'm positioning aggressively to the long side, thinking that as we are, coming out of this correction, we're on the back half of this next part of the bull market. I don't think the bull market is done. I never thought it was done. It was just going into a correction. And, I have gone on record saying that I think, Bitcoin was going to be outperforming altcoins in the short term. Although we've actually still seen altcoins hold up a tremendous amount, better than I expected actually, which is surprising. Don't get me wrong, I'm excited about that. It just goes to show that there's a lot more strength in the market that I was really anticipating. So this is all good, especially in the face of some, bearish regulatory news that is coming out just about this new infrastructure bill that is making things more complicated yet again for crypto traders and for crypto companies. Just has stricter reporting requirements and all that stuff. Again, it's not passed. The bill is just proposed by Senate. Now it's going to go get voted on by Congress, and there's still amendments that are going out. That I'm, getting posted on every day. And so there's lots of things kind of rotating here in the market, but one thing really does seem for sure. It's that the corrections ended and that the dips are now for buying. It's a very clear kind of trend shift, in my opinion, right? And so, of course, Bitcoin right now around $40,000 per coin. I could see a dip coming back down to around $36,000 or maybe $35,000, right near that volume point of control. That area of volume where there's been the most amount of Bitcoin traded in the year is right at $36,000. So I think that, we could very well be getting a dip down there, and it might be a good idea to potentially be setting some bids. But again, like I said, altcoins are holding up a little bit better than I expected. So don't sleep on those altcoins that you love. And if you've got your fundamentally strong altcoins that you love, it could be a good time to be averaging back into those coins. So that's the quick market update for you guys. I'm excited and I'm bullish. And kind of as you're going around your portfolio, and you might think like, oh, I don't know what those fundamentally strong altcoins are, and you don't have that community of people to talking about crypto and stuff. Well, you should check out our model portfolio. For $1, you could hit that orange button. The fundamentally strong coins that we believe in, as well as a daily group that you can interact with on Facebook, as well as a newsletter. So there's a ton of analysis and research that we do in the crypto markets. And if you're not already plugged in, you should check us out. Again, you could sign up for $1 for a 2-week trial. And what do you have to lose, right? Come check us out.